Hi, I have a Samsung fridge and I'm getting a new fridge. So want to actually shut down the water line which is coming here from the back of the fridge, and I'm gonna take this fridge out. It's pretty simple. So how to kind of take this water line which is here, you can see it's coming from the wall and it's going right in to the fridge here. So it's pretty simple. So this one is the on position. You just go like this. So when it's not parallel like this way, this is actually the off position. So now the water would stop coming in this. Okay, so now I have here, you can see the two tools, and it's pretty easy. You just kind of move it this way, and now it's loose, so this should kind of come off. You can see this came out, and then you just have to kind of pull this pipe out. So hold it this way, and 1 2 3, that's it. There you go, perfect, right? So this is the way you disconnect. And when you get the new fridge, same way, this thing is gonna go, you will get this pipe with the fridge, and this, the water pipe coming from the wall, is gonna go in, and you kind of just screw this in and you're good to go. All right guys, thank you. If you need anything, let me know. Please subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, let me know. Bye for